Hey everybody, Payments Professor here, and it's part 2 of the Apple Card series. Now, I'm a big Apple fan. I like Apple Pay. I want to see how the Apple Card is going to work in conjunction with Apple Pay. And in the name of payments, I'm doing this test for you. So my Apple Card has now arrived. In fact, as soon as the UPS rang the doorbell and I wasn't able to answer, I was on the work call at the time, I got a notification letting me know, hey, your card has arrived. It shows up on my phone. I get an email even also letting me know my card has arrived. And what am I gonna do? Well, right now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open the card. I've never done an unveiling live, so let's hope that this works. Let's see. Let's rip that open. We're just gonna throw things on the side. All right, don't need that. What do we have in here? Oh, it's securely in there too. Looks like, All right, I can get this open. What do we have next? Anything else in there? No, let's let that go. And oh, wow, the feel of it is even pretty cool. Look at this. Oh, there's my card. My titanium Apple Card. How does it come out? Oh, look at that. Nothing, no numbers on it. Oh man, that thing is solid too. Look at that, solid. All right. Now it says to activate your card, wake iPhone and hold here, hold near it. Okay, well, you know what? Let's put the card back in. I'm gonna grab my phone. I'm gonna activate my phone and I'm gonna hold it near it. All right, it's not doing anything. So let's see what we gotta do. Wake iPhone and hold here. Do I maybe move the card out of the way and do it? Hey Siri, I want to activate my Apple Card.
You can learn more about Apple Card on apple.com.
Okay, so let's go to apple.com. I just got a notification on watch. It's actually a friend texting me. We got to go here. I'm not seeing anything on apple.com. Activate your card, wake phone, and hold here. This is just not working as expected. Maybe if I flip the card around. Let's open Apple Wallet. Maybe that will help. Oh, there's my icon for the Apple Card. It's got my balance on there. You'll be notified when it's time to pay. Learn more. Activate your card. When I go to the Apple Wallet, I do see an activate the card. I'm hitting activate your card. It said hold the phone near the packaging that the card came with. Oh, now it pops up. It's giving me a screen that actually says, hey, you want to activate your card? See, look at that, look at that. There it is, okay. I'm gonna say yes, activate my card. And it says, do I want to allow the wallet to also access your location even though you are not using the app? Will they be tracking me? Well, I already let a lot of apps do that. I turn them off later, especially to conserve battery, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for now just to see what happens. All right, it's allowed. It says my card is ready. Use your card everywhere. MasterCard is accepted and get 1% daily cash back. You can see transaction details and make payments in the wallet. There we go. That's what it says. And I'm going to go ahead and say done. And then it goes back to my wallet. Now it does show my availability balance. It shows my weekly activity, which of course is none. It shows payment, says I'll be notified when payments are done. It says get daily cash with all online purchases. It doesn't say online purchases. And there's even a button to be able to view the card number because as I think I showed you already, you'll notice there is no card number on here. No card number is visible on the card itself. So the card number is stored within the phone. So this really concludes the unboxing of the Apple Card and the activation of the card. If you want to learn what I learned from using the card, because even though it's got a higher rate than I'd like to have on a card, I'm interested to see as far as how it works. I'm interested to see where is it going to be accepted and what more I can learn from being able to use the either Apple Pay app on my phone or maybe even the card via my phone or just the card itself. If you are interested in finding out of the adventures of the Payments Professor with the Apple Card, send me some comments or send me an email, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com, and I'll make sure to keep you guys up to date, possibly with a future video. Until then, have a magnificent Monday and look forward to seeing you in future videos.